Good morning. It's Monday morning, about 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm getting ready to go to leave for the airport. But first we have to return this car rental in St. Sebastian, and my father's going to take me to San Juan. So yeah, my flight takes off at noon, and I should be home by about 4 p.m. 4:30 p.m. or so. At least well, that's when the flight arrives Philadelphia, and an hour later I should be home. So yeah, it's gonna be another sad day. I have to leave family behind again. And this morning around 6 o'clock we felt an earthquake, about 4.0 magnitude. 20 minutes before that, 4.8 magnitude, and at around 1 o'clock in the morning another 4.9 magnitude of earthquake. So they're not stopping. They are still happening every few hours. So it's been, I got here on the 28th of no, I'm sorry, I got here on the 27th of December, and the earthquake started on the 28th, and it's been 24 days of earthquakes and they haven't stopped. I'm hoping that they do stop soon. Obviously some people are heavily concerned about them, and you know, it's just nerve-wracking sometimes. As for myself, I've been getting used to them, but not so much for others. So I could probably write an entire book about my whole experience here, but some things you just can't talk about, you know, it's personal. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready now, get all my stuff in my car, and get the family on the road, because they're gonna follow me as I drop this car off in San Sebastian, and then they're gonna take me over to San Juan. So it's gonna be like a 2.5 hour journey. So I'll see you in a few. One last time before going home. Fresh air, clean, lots of banana and plantain trees, aguacates, guanábanas. What else can you ask for, right?
Las nubes son de algodón, el sol parece un diamante y con su luz brillante anuncia que el día llegó. Y con su luz brillante anuncia que el día llegó. Se escucha en la serranía el trino de un ruiseñor, y con su linda canción nos anuncia un nuevo día. Y con su linda canción nos anuncia un nuevo día. Qué lindo el amanecer de mi Borinquen querida. Él nos alegra la vida, démosle gracias a Dios. Él nos alegra la vida, démosle gracias a Dios. Qué lindas son tus canciones y qué linda tus trigueñas, pero más preciosa tú, oh mi tierra borinqueña. Pero más preciosa tú, oh mi tierra borinqueña. Las nubes son de algodón, el sol parece un diamante, y con su luz brillante anuncia que el día llegó. Y con su luz brillante anuncia que el día llegó. Se escucha en la serranía el trino de un ruiseñor, y con su linda canción nos anuncia un nuevo día. Y con su linda canción nos anuncia un nuevo día. Qué lindo el amanecer de nos alegra la vida, démosle gracias a Dios. Él nos alegra.
And all is well. This morning before leaving, I felt a couple of earthquakes, one at about 1:30 in the morning, 5 and 7 or so. Now, I may upload this video first because there are some things that I would like to say. Unfortunately, it's going to take me several months to edit and upload all the videos that I have, and I probably have over 40 in 25 days that I was in Puerto Rico. Now, when I arrived December 27th, and on the very next day, I started feeling earthquakes on the 28th during my father's show in Mayagüez Plaza. From then on, it was every day, multiple times a day, up until this morning, and I'm sure they're going to continue. No one knows when they're going to stop. No one knows if it's going to be today, tomorrow, next week, or next month. I encourage you, if you are going to Puerto Rico, go right ahead and continue with your plans. Now, one thing that people ask me, Obi, how can I help Puerto Rico? How can I assist? And the number one thing that you can do to help Puerto Rico is to travel to Puerto Rico, visit the island, travel all over the island, stay in local hotels, Airbnbs, with family, friends, whatever. And you know, just if you go to the Guayanilla area, obviously there's not going to be a lot of hotels available due to the earthquakes, as far as I know. You're definitely going to feel some earthquakes there if you travel there today or tomorrow. In the future, we don't know. We don't know what's going to happen. There are lots of areas in Puerto Rico that barely feel the quakes, or if not, you know, if at all. So, you know, my advice, if you're traveling there in the next couple of weeks, go to the beaches of Aguadilla, Mayagüez, Arecibo, Isabela, anything like also Manatí, Fajardo, Loquillo, anything on the eastern side of the island as well. So yeah, there's a lot of things to do. You can go on a chinchorreo, eat the local food. So yeah, my advice is this: if you want to help Puerto Rico, just travel there. You'll be fine. I kind of got used to the earthquakes, but a lot of people had not yet. So yeah, it's a little tough, but I hope and pray that they are over quickly. So right now I'm a few minutes away from being picked up by Rapid Rover, and yeah, my wife I think has some arroz con gandules. Yeah, so I'll see you on the next one. Will she be happy to see me? Let's find out.
Oh, el baño está aquí. Welcome home.
Whew. I'm gonna have to start unpacking.